How to delete survivor.io account. Now in this video, I'll show you two specific ways for you to be able to have your account be removed or be deleted on survivor.io. First is open up the application and make sure that you're logged in into the account that you would like or you want to have to be deleted. Now this first method is deleting your account and as well as your saved data as well. So from here, all you have to do is to tap on the three lines and then go into settings. Now from settings, go to account and then feedback. Now under feedback, just tap on contact us. And this is where you can go ahead and provide or send a request for you to delete or to have your account be deleted from their customer service. Now the other method that you can do is to go ahead and locate your survivor.io icon. And from there, all you have to do is to tap and hold on the application and then hit on the I that will redirect you into app info. Scroll down and then under storage, tap on that and choose on clear data. Now, once you choose on delete, your game will automatically reset back into normal and have your account be deleted. And that's it. That is how you delete survivor.io account.